Okay, so I've been running into a weird audio problem I'm curious if anyone can help me with. When it happens, the computer kind of glitches out for a second, and then the left and the right channels stop working, but the others still work. For example, you should be able to hear this, this, and this, but left and right become silent. I tried this guy's suggestion to run these to reset the audio driver, but that didn't help anything. So I don't know what to do at this point. The only fix is to restart the computer entirely, but that doesn't explain why this keeps happening every now and then.